Time for some Friday birthdays around the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Girard with Colby Eugene Johnson celebrating birthday number 5. Happy birthday, Colby.
All right, Kelsey Moss celebrating birthday number 7 strong in Columbus.
And Grace Shanholzer celebrating birthday number 8. A very happy birthday to you, Grace.
All right, Braxton Palmer turning 10 years old this year. Braxton is in Parsons.
And we've got Riley Horton celebrating birthday number 14 in Carthage with love from Grandma Judy and Grandpa Jim and all of your family. Happy birthday.
Miranda McCready celebrating another year in Chanute, Kansas.
And Christopher Stalling celebrating number 41 in Webb City. A very happy birthday to you.
All right, and then we've got Holly Engelbrecht down in Miami, Oklahoma. Happy birthday, Holly.
And Renee Brown celebrating another year wiser in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Renee.
And the party's in the bus again this weekend. I love this. Julie Thomas, happy birthday in Columbus.
Also in the bus, Linda Baker celebrating number 82. Happy birthday, Linda.
And Elaine Reynolds, happy birthday to you in Columbus.
And we've got Kristen and Robert Fecky celebrating their 11th anniversary. A very happy anniversary to you.
I love these two. Happy anniversary, Kristen and Robert. Dolly Dickens in Parsons, happy birthday.
And Mike Broadwater in Joplin celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Mike.
And down in Baxter Springs, along with Cowtown Days, Mike Allen is celebrating his birthday this weekend.
All right, we love celebrating these birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya, where do they need to send them to celebrate with us?
Well, send us your picture, your name, the age, the hometown, any details you need us to know. Birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool things it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.